Get ready to charge your electric vehicle anywhere with the Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 Tesla NACS EV Charger. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to install, use, and get the best performance from this versatile dual-voltage charger. About the product. The Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 Tesla NACS EV Charger is a compact dual-voltage charging solution designed for Tesla and other NACS-compatible electric vehicles. It supports both 120-volt Level 1 and 240-volt Level 2 charging, making it ideal for home use or travel. With portable plug-and-play convenience, adjustable charging power, and built-in safety protection, it delivers flexible and reliable EV charging wherever you go. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 Tesla NACS EV Charger, Charging Coupler NACS, NEMA 14 to 50, 5 to 15 plug, 40 amperes, 12 amperes, mounting tools, carrying case, user manual. Product overview. Electric vehicle charger, LED status indicator, charging coupler NACS, NEMA 14 to 50 plug, 40 amps, NEMA 5 to 15 plug, 12 amps, mounting plate, screw set. How to use. To use the Lectron Portable Level 1 and 2 Tesla NACS EV Charger, plug it into a 120-volt or 240-volt outlet and confirm the power light is on. Connect the NACS plug to your vehicle until it clicks to start charging. When done, press the release button, unplug it, and store the charger neatly. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.